Hello friends! Welcome back to One Footage Phoenix. Today I am going to be talking to you guys about the experience of playing Pokemon Go Fest 2022. It is here, the biggest event of the year, as an amputee. Now, playing Pokemon Go as an amputee, it's a little more difficult than it used to be back when I started playing it in 2016. I haven't seen a lot of people make videos actually related to playing different games with a disability, so
I participated in both the Go Fests previously. The one in 2020 was amazing, and I didn't even have to leave my house to play because there was all these like COVID-19 bonuses that made it so you don't have to like walk around as much or really like even go outside a whole lot. But then when I got to 2021, there was like not as many opportunities to catch things or to do raids because I was dealing with CRPS in 2021 when Go Fest came around. So this year, in 2022, they took away like all of the COVID-19 bonuses, and I was like, well, that sucks. That's not fair. I mean, for me, because I can't just get up and walk around. That did not stop me from playing my favorite game because I found little other ways to still be able to enjoy the event. In the days previous to Pokemon Go Fest, I spent time saving up on Pokeballs so that I would be able to play the majority of the event laying on my couch and just kind of chilling. I was pretty disappointed that the spawns were so slow and infrequent for players that were not moving around. The incense effectiveness sucked. Let's just put it that way. I ended the end of the first day of Pokemon Go Fest only having caught 3 shinies, and I had plenty of Pokeballs to play like the entire event. I chose the master level for catch focused because I didn't think I'd have to like walk all that much, and I didn't have to walk that much to complete all the special research tasks. The only research task I actually had to leave the house for was the one that made you spin 5 Pokestops or gems, and those are geotagged by location, so you know, you can't just like be like, yo, I'm standing on a gem when you're at your house. Secondly, I don't know why they didn't give you at least one remote raid pass. Like, that seems like a fair way to do it, and I'm kind of annoyed that they like took them out of giving you one free one every week right before Go Fest, because I was like, well, that's stinky, because like it made it harder for me to be able to play raids with people as well, because like I have a group of people that were inviting me to raids, and now that I can't get the raid passes as easily, it's going to make my gameplay a lot harder.